Are black bathroom fixtures a passing trend? Pros and cons. Dear friends, when it comes to bathroom design, the choices are endless. From traditional white porcelain fixtures to bold and modern designs, homeowners have a wide range of options to create their desired aesthetic. In recent years, black bathroom fixtures have emerged as a popular choice, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any space. However, the question remains: are black bathroom fixtures a passing trend? In this video, we will dive deeper into the pros and cons of using black bathroom fixtures such as sinks, taps, and shower heads, allowing you to make an informed decision for your own bathroom. The pros of black bathroom fixtures. 1. Timeless elegance. Black has always been associated with luxury and elegance, and this holds true for bathroom fixtures as well. Incorporating black fixtures can instantly elevate the overall aesthetic of your bathroom, giving it a sleek and sophisticated look. Whether your style is modern, industrial, or even traditional, black fixtures can effortlessly blend in and create a timeless appeal. 2. Versatile and complementary. One of the greatest advantages of black fixtures is their versatility. They can seamlessly complement a variety of color schemes and materials, making them suitable for both bold and subtle design choices. They can work well with different materials such as marble, granite, or wood, enhancing the overall visual impact. 3. Easy to clean and maintain. Black fixtures are known for their ability to hide water spots and fingerprints better than their white counterparts. A quick wipe with a soft cloth is usually sufficient to keep black fixtures looking clean and polished. Furthermore, good quality black finishes are often more resistant to stains and discoloration, which adds to their appeal. 4. Contemporary, masculine appeal. Black fixtures have gained popularity due to their contemporary and modern appeal. Their clean lines and bold presence can create a sense of luxury and sophistication, making your bathroom a stylish sanctuary. The cons of black bathroom fixtures. 1. Limited design options. While black fixtures offer elegance and versatility, they may not be suitable for every bathroom design. If you prefer a light and airy ambiance, black fixtures can make the space feel smaller and darker. Additionally, some bathroom styles, such as a classic vintage design, may not pair well with black fixtures, as they tend to lean towards a more contemporary aesthetic. It's important to consider the overall theme and mood you want to create in your bathroom before committing to black fixtures. 2. Scratches and wear. Black finishes, especially those with a matte texture, can show scratches and wear more easily compared to lighter finishes. However, high-quality black fixtures with durable finishes and proper care can mitigate this concern to a great extent. 3. Trend factor. While black bathroom fixtures have gained significant popularity in recent years, there is always the risk of them becoming a passing trend. If you are concerned about the long-term appeal of your bathroom, you might want to consider whether black fixtures will maintain their charm and relevance in the years to come. Black bathroom fixtures have undoubtedly made a strong statement in the design world, offering elegance, versatility, and a touch of drama to any space. While they may not be suitable for every bathroom style, their timeless appeal and ability to complement various color schemes make them a viable option for many homeowners. When considering whether to incorporate black fixtures into your bathroom, it is essential to evaluate your personal preferences, the overall design of the space, and the long-term vision you have for your home. Ultimately, whether black bathroom fixtures are a passing trend or not, the decision to include them in your own home or bathroom renovation rests with you and your unique style. With their timeless elegance, versatility, ease of maintenance, and contemporary appeal, black fixtures have firmly established themselves as a popular choice in modern bathroom design. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.